I literally woke up like 40 minutes late. You already know what I'm gonna do. Favorite pants. I got them on. I'm literally gonna do my no makeup look, so this should be quick, right? Alright. And then I'm gonna do the oversized blazer. I'm literally in a rush. I don't know what shirt to do though. I want to leave like right now. I'm gonna just literally like just do my makeup and just, I don't know. I really don't know what other shirt to wear. Like, alright, I'm just gonna put this on. This is just a bodysuit. Alright. This is what we have so far. How it's looking. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then put on my jacket. I really think I'm gonna wear like some cool sneakers. Like I want to be like casual, but like, you know, fine. All right. So I think I am gonna do my no makeup look. I really just gotta curl the front. I really can't believe that I'm running late, but you know what? That's all right. Don't get on my nerves. This hair, sometimes you know how hair just get on your freaking nerves? That's what's happening. OD. Okay. So this is how I'm looking so far. I just gotta put on my lipstick. I don't know what shoes to wear. Honestly, I was gonna put these on. Like, cool, but cash. But I don't feel like it's given today. What if I put the golden gooses on? I want to wear sneakers. Like, I feel like sneakers are like so doable today. But I feel like also, I mean, I'm just gonna wear them for the event and then I'm gonna bring my Uggs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear, or maybe I could wear these ones. This is such an intimate setting. I'm only meeting with L'Oreal, so I feel like golden goose sneakers, they're like classy but casual, you know. I think I'm gonna wear this jacket. This is just gonna have to do for today, okay? Honestly, I feel like I still look cute, you know. I look cute. Oh, maybe I could wear the Dior bag. The Dior bag makes it look totally different. I'm gonna wear this one. All right, I changed my shoes because I'm in such a rush. I changed my shoes to the other golden goose. I feel like these are more fun. And that's what I want to be. I want to be cash fun. So, okay, with the Dior. Yes. Let's go. So guys, I hate that I say that. Isn't that so annoying? So guys, I say that I've actually been cutting it out of my vlogs because I'm like, why am I saying that? But anyway, I went to Dunkin' Donuts. I had to get my coffee. Like, you know, I gotta wake up. That's the only way I'm gonna wake up and be in a good mood. If no one wants me to go off, just get me coffee. So I got my coffee. We're headed there now. So we're supposed to be there at 9:45, between 9:45 and 10:15. It says we're gonna get there at 10:08. So we're actually right on time, which is great. The makeup look, it just be coming in hand. Like, literally, it takes me 10 minutes to do this makeup. I can't believe I slept through my alarm. The only time I sleep through my alarm is when I have melatonin. When I take a melatonin gummy, that's the only time I sleep through my alarm. Like, I literally can't wake up for shit when I take melatonin. And that's why I don't take it, because I be scared. That's scary. Honestly, you guys, I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep right now. I set my alarm for 6, slept through that. That's crazy. I actually woke up at 7:48. So what I'm doing today is basically talking to L'Oreal and Google, and we're gonna be talking about, you know, just YouTubers, influencers. I'm excited. When I got the opportunity, I was like, oh my god, yes, like this is amazing. Like I don't know, I just love doing panels. I used to do panels all the time at BeautyCon, and I just want to say, anytime you guys see me go into any type of event that I have to do or host, just know I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep. I cannot sleep the day before. I don't know why that is, but it's been happening for years. I can never sleep. BeautyCon, every time I went to BeautyCon, I was not sleep. I did not sleep. Anytime I did a meet and greet, I did not sleep. Anytime I did anything, I did not sleep. And I can't sleep before events and sometimes flights, but I'm probably gonna crash later. And I was so tired yesterday, I couldn't function, but I could not go to sleep. So I'm definitely gonna crash later. So if I start acting like an insane person, don't be surprised. I'm headed to Manhattan right now, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Ginger! Look at But she don't run from you.
She always go down there.
Joy's not here, Mama. Come on.
Oh my god, she literally always gets on her back for y'all too. Me? Mm-mm.
Come on. Good girl.
Look at her.
Oh, you saw Joy.
She be tearing me up. Ginger! Say hi to my vlog, Ma.
Hi. Hi, vlog. But y'all better not put me on that camera.
Show yourself.
No, I'm not showing myself.
Look, let me see the selfie in the mirror.
Look at Ginger. Ginger's being a bad bunker.
Ginger's being a bad bear. But she's not bad with you the way she is with me.
Let it go. Let it go.
I'm done. Not Elsa.
Too early for this.
You guys, so we just tried to go to Joe and the Juice, and oh my god, I hate when people watch me vlog. It's so annoying. I'm gonna get in the car. So guys, we just tried to go to Joe and the Juice. Please tell me why. So the card thing is not working at Joe and the Juice. It's like no way to pay. Basically, you gotta pay on the app. Basically, order it on the app, and then basically they make it, you pick it up in that type of way. So the card terminal is not working. That's one. And then they don't have no bread. So they only have the gluten-free bread, but for gluten-free we'll have to pay more. So we have to pay more because y'all don't have the normal bread. Oh my god, it was so annoying. So we just didn't order from there. We're about to order from another location. Maybe this one will be good. Maybe, you know, I don't know. I'm starving though. Like, I'm actually getting to a point where like I'm about to scream. I'm ready. I'm ready to go off. over here. A little too busy. Got my tunicado. I got no pesto this time. I also got jalapenos and extra tuna. He keep trying to take pictures without me. No, I'm getting in them. Today's Nikki's birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday to the queen.
To the Nicki Minaj.
So he's a barb now. Yes, you are. He's originally a dream chaser. Okay, that's great. But guess what? Barbs and dream chasers used to get along. I don't know about now, that's none of my business or whatever, but when you date a barb, you become a barb. So I got my tunicado. Anyway, so I got extra tuna. It don't look like extra tuna though. This don't look like extra tuna, right? This is not giving extra tuna to me. This don't look like extra tuna to me. And I got avocado and then jalapeno, no pesto. So I'm hoping that this tastes better. Homeboy about to be mad stingy again. Mine tastes like lemon. What does that lemon taste? I have really sensitive taste buds. I could taste every ingredient that there is. If there's anybody who watches my videos who works at Jones in the Juice, can you please tell me if they squirt lemon on the tuna or something? Because I'm tasting lemon. What is that I'm tasting? I'm tasting it. I taste it. Hey guys, so I'm in Target. I gotta show you something. Look at this. Somebody used this makeup brush. I'm in the makeup aisle. First off, when did they increase makeup brushes to $7? That's what I want to know. Oh, here go the $2 ones. Yeah, this is my section. But oh my god, that is so rude. Oh, this is, where's the original brush? The ultimate blending. So this is the original brush. This is how it looks. Look, somebody used it. You people, not my army, not you people, but these people are crazy out here. Let's talk about how Target really upgraded their makeup section though. Like, they have a whole Ulta in Target now. So aside from us being obsessed with Joe and the Juice, we are also obsessed with this. Every single night. How many do we get? Like 3. Hey guys, so I'm officially back home. I know I look a little insane. Let me take that off. Honestly, the bonnets make me look crazy. It is 10:43. I'm about to get my aspirin tablet in the bed. That's what my grandma Karen says, the aspirin tablet. When she doesn't want to curse, she says, get your aspirin tablet. But yeah, I'm about to get in the bed. I'm so tired. I'm only running on like 3 hours of sleep. I had a great day today. I just talked to my mom. I really needed that talk because with my mom having COVID, I feel like I haven't been able to speak to her. So in the video you guys seen with me expressing when she had COVID, that was the day that she got over it. But you know, I've been out doing Vlogmas, doing this, and so I just been on the go. So I haven't got a chance to like sit down and really like recap and, you know, just talk to my mom. Like, me talking to my mom gives me so much clarity and just like, it just keeps me humble and just keeps me guidance. And so I haven't had a chance to talk to her. It drove me insane. So I'm really happy I got a chance to talk to my mom. I missed her so much. Like, oh my god, I hope she never gets COVID again because I didn't even have it. She had it and I was going through it. I'm like, this is horrible. Like, I ate some gyozas and some sushi. I've been eating Joe and the Juice and fucking sushi for like 3 days straight. Like I told you, obsessive behavior, it happens. I don't know, that's how I am. But yeah, I'm about to get in bed. I got a big day tomorrow. Karen and Rita is launching soon. If you guys are watching it, it's probably already gonna be up by now. So make sure you go to the website and get your fave earrings. The earrings I wore today were Karen and Rita, just so you know. But yeah, if you haven't seen the video on Karen and Rita, make sure you guys go check that out. I do a full product haul. You know, what is Karen and Rita? Who is Karen and Rita? What happened to Twisted Saints? A lot of people are asking me what happened to Twisted Saints, and so make sure you guys go watch that. I had a great day today. I'm very blessed for the people around me, Honestly, if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here. And if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be here at all. Like, I don't think y'all understand. I don't want to get emotional. It's like the third video I'm about to cry in. Anyway, you know what? I'm gonna go to bed on that note. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being you, the army. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye guys.